Okay, this lesson that we are going to be doing is we're going to move a permit to a different file. Now, when you have the need for that is if somebody applies for a permit and then applies for it singularly as opposed to a permit that is part of a larger file or series of permits. So the file that I'm looking at here is this BU 20-000-201 8100 Forsyth Boulevard. It's a construction fence for the Bank of America that's located at 8100 Maryland. So this will be a larger project. I have already conducted previously a building plan review for the new bank. So at any point in time when we take in a new permit, we want to first search for any other open active permits for that location. So we're going to search 8100 Forsyth. And let's see what we find here. Okay, we have the file that we were just looking at. But then as we go down, we can see that we have a route with ARB, BU 20-00082, which I know to be the building permit for the new bank. Well, the construction fence and the future demolition permit will be part of this file. So what we want to do is we want to copy that file number, or remember it's going to be 192281. So let's go back up to the file that we want to move into that one. And let me double check that real quick. 2281, okay. So we're going to open this one again. And what you do is you click on the permit tab. And off to the right, you see this symbol, which is the move permit function. So we're going to move this permit into that existing file, which is 19-002281. So we're going to click Move Permit, and it's going to give us two options here. One, to keep this file. The second is to delete it. Because this file was uploaded into its own file number incorrectly initially, we have no reason to keep this file. So we're going to click yes, delete the file. Okay. And now let's look back at our reviews. And now we can see that we have all the files located here. Let's go under the permits. And here we go with our construction fence right here, BU 20-00201. So we have it moved into the file number for all of the different permits related to the new bank. Now what I want to do is I need to create a route for the fence. So I'm going to create a new route. Now because this bank went in for Architectural Review Board or ARB approval, we're going to select that one. Now there is an option for a fence, but because this is a construction fence related to a larger demolition and new building, I want to click this, and I'll show you why in a moment. It's not in the floodplain. We do not require MSD approval for this. We will require zoning review. We do not need subdivision. Final review is, we'll go ahead and leave that for now. We will have conditions of approval, of course, and required inspection. Plan review, we will not, or I will have, but by selecting ARB review, that will include Spencer. And because this is a permit that is along Clayton City-owned streets, he's going to want to take a look at this construction fence and make sure that solid portions aren't impairing traffic at all. So that's why it's important to include Spencer, and Spencer is included automatically on the ARB building reviews. I'm going to change that, and then we will go down here and save. Oh, got to select our permit number first. It's the 201. Go down here and save. And now we go under reviews. And we are set. I'm going to go ahead and complete the initial review since I had done this previously and looked at it. Completed. And we will use today's date. Save. And now the route is set for review. And that is how you move a file or permit into another file.